Yeah. Okay, so we're talking about running adverts, running traffic from Facebook to our WhatsApp for marketing purposes. It was launched in 2009, and with time, okay, it became very popular. And generally, WhatsApp uses text, the voice messaging application. It uses video. You can make, of course, voice call. You can do conference call. It's very engaging, very, very engaging. And it's a free service for now. And you can always, of course, switch between your mobile and your desktop. Okay, and that's why some people like using it, because many people are on mobile. So you quickly see the message and instantly you get feedback. So engagement is very high on WhatsApp. Aside that, Facebook itself is all about engagements. You want to engage with people, establish relationship. And this business of selling, advertising, is all about relationship. Can you build relationship with people, the people, your target audience? Is very key. So that's what WhatsApp can help us to do, building relationship. And once you are able to build relationship, you can sell. Okay, and I do say we sell emotions, not really our products. When you can, educate, enlighten, you can show people that you care, you can show people that you want to improve their status, then you will see that you will start getting results. Okay, now in terms of messages sent globally, it's clear that WhatsApp is really doing well. People use WhatsApp a lot, a lot. Then in terms of global users, we see that India has the highest number of WhatsApp users. Okay, you can see the statistics. That tells you that there is market for those that are using WhatsApp if you learn to use it. For Nigeria, the highest used, the most used messenger or app in Nigeria is WhatsApp. You can see it here. This is for Nigeria. You can see WhatsApp at the top, almost 93%. They're followed by Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and just down the line like that. Okay, so in order to run Facebook ads to WhatsApp, the first thing we need to do is ensure that we connect our Facebook page. This is our Facebook. Let me open my, this is our Facebook. Okay, this is my page here. You can see when I put the cursor there, you can see pages. If I click on it, okay, I have different pages. You can see pages you manage. These are my pages. Okay, so if you look at this, let me open this page, Affiliate Guru. What they are trying to say is this page is also called business page. So if you want to run your WhatsApp to this page, maybe you want to run Facebook ads to this page, what you have here, you are expected to have WhatsApp button here so that people can click on this button. But what I have here is edit contact us. That means once anybody that clicks here will see my number. Okay, so what we are saying is that before you start running Facebook ads to a page that you want to use, the page that you want to use for running the adverts, ensure that page is connected to your WhatsApp. And how do you achieve that? You go to settings on your page, settings. Okay, so from the settings, you will see WhatsApp. You will see WhatsApp. You click on WhatsApp. You see that your WhatsApp number, you will see that I've connected it already. It's connected already. If it's not connected, you will see, instead of writing disconnect, you are going to see connect. So this is very, very important. Okay, very, very important as we look at running Facebook ads to WhatsApp. You need to do this. Okay, so having said this, let's see. Okay. Okay, so you need to connect your WhatsApp, your Facebook page, your Facebook business page to your WhatsApp business account. Now, let's understand something. Your WhatsApp and email, if you are doing WhatsApp marketing or email marketing, the two of them are permission-based marketing platform. Permission-based means that this idea of sending messages to people without their permission is not professional. WhatsApp marketing or email marketing is by permission. That means before you send message to me on WhatsApp, I must give you permission. That's why Facebook advertising, running traffic from Facebook to your WhatsApp is very, very important. Anybody that feels is okay with your product or services can now click and opt in to your WhatsApp. That's okay. Okay. WhatsApp campaign objective. Now, for you to run Facebook traffic to your WhatsApp, there are about 3 campaign objectives that we can use to achieve that goal. We can use messages, we can use traffic, we can use conversion. In the last class, I think one of our classes, we looked at campaign objectives and their functions, what they are used for. Okay, so we have messages, we have traffic, we have conversions. These 3 campaign objectives, they have what they are used for. Conversion means that you want people to take action. So Facebook will show your ads to people that can take action within your target audience. Traffic is just to direct traffic to your website, your landing page, or your sales page, or your store. That's the essence of traffic. You don't expect any special action, no. If you want people to take a specific action, you use conversion campaign objective. For messages, it is when you want to go into conversation, you want the audience, your target audience, to go into conversation with you. That's when you use message. Okay, so for message, the message objective is a primary one that you should use when launching WhatsApp ads. You can select WhatsApp business in the ad set section as the destination for your campaign. Don't worry, I will explain. What I'm trying to say is this, that if you go to your Facebook platform under campaign objective, you select what? Message. You will select message. Okay. You just select what? Message. And once you select message, I will show you the practical. You go to the next level, the ad set level. You now choose what? WhatsApp. Why? Because we want to direct traffic. You want to sell on WhatsApp platform. For you to sell on WhatsApp platform, you need people to sell to. So these people that you want to sell to are the traffic we are talking about. And how do you get this traffic? You are going to use Facebook. Okay, you pay Facebook and tell Facebook direct traffic to my WhatsApp, and this is what I'm trying to do. So you choose message campaign. From the message campaign, you come to the asset level and you choose what? WhatsApp. You can see that messaging apps, we have different messaging apps here: Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram Direct. Okay, so when you choose message as your campaign objective, automatically by default, okay, Messenger will be the messaging app. All of them, they are for conversation, the 3 of them. But what is your purpose? You want to direct traffic to what? To WhatsApp. So you click on what? WhatsApp, okay? And that is how messages work. So we are going to look at this method. Then if you are using traffic, we can also select traffic as our campaign objective. Okay, for using traffic as a campaign objective, what you want to achieve is to direct traffic, okay, traffic to your what? WhatsApp. People that can click on your link. That means you will need a link. You need a link. So you can use, because on that traffic, you will need a website, okay? And that website, I will show you how you can generate websites with a link with your phone number, okay? Then look at, once you select traffic here as a campaign objective, you now come down here. That's the asset level. You click on website. That's by default. Okay, so we now change it to what? WhatsApp. Okay, you can see different ways, different campaigns that we can use to achieve this goal. Then conversion objective. You can also launch WhatsApp ad with the conversion objective. This objective will focus on finding people to convert to your conversion events. Okay, conversion events may be, what do you want people, what action do you want people to take when they get to your WhatsApp group? What it means is that the people that will come to your WhatsApp group are the people that have tendency to take action. Maybe you want them to give you their email address, their names, email address, and phone number, or you want them to download something, or you want them to buy. Okay, that's conversion. So Facebook will look for people that have the tendency to take action. The action may be purchase, the action may be to download. You understand? So that is what Facebook will look for. The conversion events work very similar to how you launch normal campaign. Okay, but the only big catch is that conversions can't necessarily happen in WhatsApp. Therefore, we recommend that you use your message objective. Okay, we recommend that you use what? Your message objective. So you can see that I picked conversion there, and from conversion you select WhatsApp. Okay, so I will show you how we can implement it. There are two methods out of the three that we can effectively use to run WhatsApp ads. So the first one is using message what? Campaign objective. And the second one is using customized WhatsApp link. Okay, customized WhatsApp link. Okay, that's when you are using traffic campaign objective. Okay, when I say customized WhatsApp link, because if you are using traffic, it will request for a website, and your number is not a website. Your WhatsApp number is not a website. Okay, so what you do is to go to wa.link, this wa.link. We go to their website, you insert your number there, and you generate a link. That's the link you are going to put when we get there. So there are two methods that we can use. There are two campaign objectives rather that we can use to direct traffic from Facebook to our WhatsApp. One, using WhatsApp message campaign objective, and the second one is using customized WhatsApp link. Okay, so let's look at it. Using WhatsApp message objective, the goal is to take people from your ad, from your Facebook platform, to this messaging platform, to get them to start conversation with you. Okay, so that when you want, if you have used WhatsApp before, or you have created WhatsApp group, you discover that people will just be entering the group, and as they're entering the group, you will now be at a particular number. Once they get to a particular number, you can start to tell them about your product and your services. Okay, you can start to tell them about your product and your services once they get to post. WhatsApp group can only accommodate 256. Okay, so you can create as many groups as possible. So as they come into your group, depending on the marketing strategy you want to use to reach out to your audience. Okay, so but it will afford you the privilege to interact with them. It is very, very engaging. Okay, WhatsApp marketing is very, very engaging. So you use this message objective when you want to interact with people, you want to hear from them, or you want to educate them through WhatsApp, through voice notes, through text, through images or video. You can use WhatsApp, and you can use it to overcome objections. You can offer product and services, make recommendation based on their needs. You can start conversation with your target audience, either to ask questions before they buy from you, or take the next step towards working with them. Okay, so remember what I said, you must connect a WhatsApp business number. You know, WhatsApp has two variants. You have the normal WhatsApp for personal use, then you have WhatsApp business. That's what we are looking at. If you are using WhatsApp business, okay, that is what you are using for this purpose, and it can get really expensive, okay, but it is very, very effective. Very, very effective. Now, what are you optimizing for? You are optimizing for conversion. I will explain it to you. Okay, so what you need to do at the campaign level, okay, we have message, traffic, and what? Conversion. We are starting with message, okay, and I've put it here. Select your message objective when building your campaign. So then at the asset level, you have to select your destination. So let me quickly show you how it works so that it will not be too abstract. Let me show you how you can use. So let's go back to our platform. So we'll come here. Let me. Okay, so let's come here. If you want to run your campaign, you come to, I think I've explained this interface. You go to your ad manager. Okay. So you come to create. So from this create, we want to use message. So you scroll down, campaign. Now you have to, we are creating ads now. We are creating ads. Okay, and if you are creating ads, what do you do? Okay, you come to the campaign level. There are three campaign levels. We have three levels when you are running your campaign. We have the campaign, the ad set level, and the ad level. Okay, so at the campaign level, you need to choose what is your goal. Okay, what do you want to achieve? In this case, we want Facebook to look for audiences that can, go into conversation with us, that can interact with us from WhatsApp. So that's why we are clicking on messages. So when you do that, you scroll down, you will see campaign name. You need to give it name, okay? You need to, what name do you want to give your campaign? This is just like test campaign. So let's just give it something, okay? Okay. You can put any name you want to put, but this is just test. It's not then go to the last one. This is not conventional. I'm just using it as a test. So after doing this, for every campaign you run, you have to give the name of the campaign, the ad set, and the ad. Then you say continue. Okay, so this takes us to the next. You can see this is campaign. You can see the campaign name. campaign details. You just leave everything the way it is. Campaign objective, it is message. Okay. Choose what you want people to do when they see your ad. You want them to, interact with you using the messaging app. Okay. So from here, you move down. Just follow what I have here. You see, there is nothing to do here again. You click on next to move to the next level. That's the ad set. Where we are is the campaign level. The next level is the asset level. Okay, so either you click here or you click on next. So let me click here. It's the same thing. Okay, so you can see that we have moved to the asset level. That's why we are saying DD2, DDD2. Okay, you can see the name, destination. Okay, set up your message and message ad and where you want people to message you. Okay, so that's the destination. So what do we do? Ad type. Click to what? Message. That is what you want to achieve. Click to what? Message. So you select that. Okay, you now move down. Messaging app. Which messaging app do you want to use? Is it Facebook Messenger? Is it WhatsApp? Is it Instagram Direct? You know that we want to direct traffic to WhatsApp. So we select WhatsApp here and we move this messenger. That's our goal. We want to send people to our traffic to our WhatsApp. So this is what we want to achieve. Okay, so we scroll down. Now, which page do you want to use? Which page do you want to use for your adverts? Okay, when we started, I show you some pages. Okay, so you have to know the page that you want to use. So I want to choose the page. Just click on it. Of course, you would have created your page before running any ads. So I want to use Affiliate Guru. I'll click on Affiliate Guru. Now, when you click on Affiliate Guru, okay, now that number, that WhatsApp business number that you attach to that page will show up here. If you remember vividly on our Facebook platform, my Facebook, if you come here, remember this number, remember this page. You can remember this page. If you remember this page vividly, that I came here and I said, oh, it is connected. I came to this place and I clicked on WhatsApp. I showed you that this number is what connected already to this page. This is a page. If I go back, you will see the page. You can see the Affiliate Guru. That's a page. Okay, and I connected it to a WhatsApp number. So when you are running your ad, you will select that page. When you select the page, you now go to that WhatsApp business that you linked up to that page. Once you select the page, automatically this WhatsApp will show up. That means you have connected the two of them together. Okay, you have assigned your WhatsApp business platform, okay, or account to that page. So once you select this page, this WhatsApp business account will show up, and that's what happened here. So let's leave all this, okay, because this is your daily budget. How much are you going to give Facebook on a daily basis? How much do you want Facebook to be spending on your adverts? For Facebook to look for traffic for you, traffic means people that can that can do business with you. So how much are you willing to pay? Okay, this is what Facebook put here. You can put anything here. Let me put 1,000 naira. That means you'll be spending 1,000 naira every day. Daily budget. You can have lifetime budget. Okay, you just stick to daily budget. You use lifetime when you are running, maybe you want flash sale. Flash sale means that very short, you run campaign, and the campaign is very, very short. Okay, but daily budget is okay. This is how much you want to be spending every day. Okay, then when are you starting your campaign? You put the dates there. Okay, and you come to audience. Audience is where we select the people that we want to target. Who do you want to target? Because on Facebook platform, we have so many people. You can't target everybody. So we come to this audience, and we have treated audience before. And if you watch the video we did, we have treated audience before. And I said that if it is cold audience you want to target, you come to detailed what targeting. And if you come here, we don't have option to choose what our audience. We don't have option to choose our audience. So this is where you have to, if it's message campaign objective you are using, you have to know what to do. Actually, what we do in this case is this: before you start your campaign, you can decide to create your audience. You can create your audience who you want to target before you start it. Once you create your audience, you will save it so that when we come here, we can just, because Facebook, once you choose WhatsApp, that you are directing traffic to WhatsApp, Facebook will not allow you to choose your audience from detailed targeting. So what do? Except you have saved your audience, you can pick any audience here. Okay, so it's better you create saved audience before you start, or you can create it here. Okay, I will show you what to do. Okay, so what do we do now? We can't go further except if you want to just allow it to run like that. And if you look at the potential reach, this is 24 million. It will be a waste of money that you are targeting 24 million. Okay, on a daily basis, you'll be getting 3,300, between 3,300, 3,000, between 300, 3,200 people, and 9,600 people. And the link clicks will be between 63 to 181 on daily basis. This 24 million is too much. So we need to select the audience that are ready for our services or our products. So what do we do now? For listing, for message campaign objective, what do? We go back to our campaign objective. You go back there. Why are we going back there? We want to create audience and save the audience. That's it. We want to create audience. If you want to create audience before you start running your campaign, fine. But since it's like this, go back to your campaign level, okay, where you can say campaign objective. Let's edit it. Go to edit and change it to traffic. Your setting may change. Yes, we know. Continue. So what we do, we want to create audience and save the audience. That is why we are changing our campaign objective to traffic. If you choose traffic will allow you to create your audience. Okay, so once you come here, you can see that we have changed it to traffic. Then you come down. Okay, there is nothing to do here again. You go back to the next level. Always remember that we have 3 levels: campaign, ad set, and your ad. It is at the ad set level that we choose the audience to target. So I will click on ad set. When I get to the ad set, okay, you can see the naming. You can see that we now have, under traffic, we now have what? Options. Okay, we are still on WhatsApp. If you scroll down to where you want to choose audience, we cannot do detailed targeting. Why we are doing detailed targeting here is because we are sending, okay, message to cold traffic. So once they come into WhatsApp platform, our WhatsApp group, that is where we now start engaging them, nurturing them, educating them. That's why we are coming to detailed targeting. Okay, so what do? We try and, so from this level, okay, we change from WhatsApp to what? Website, as if we are running traffic objective, campaign objective. Why? Because we want Facebook to give us the opportunity to select our audience, our target audience. That is the reason. Okay, we will just change it to, because we don't change it to website, to, since it is traffic, the campaign of the goal of using traffic as a campaign objective is to send traffic to your website, to your store, okay, and to your link, to allow people to click on your link. Okay, so the objective is to send traffic to your store. Okay, so you will need a website. Since you are sending traffic to a landing page, a store, you will need what? A website link. Okay, and this objective will now allow us to select our what? Audience, our target audience. If you come here now, you can see that we now have edit button. We can click on edit button. You now start to what? Look for the audience you are looking for. Let's assume that we want to look for cake, people that are interested in cake, or maybe 72 IG, maybe people that are looking for make money online, or 72 IG. Okay, what you do, who are the people that you can target? People that are interested in affiliate marketing. You can see affiliate marketing. The last class I told you, go for what? Interest-based targeting. You choose interest. Okay. Now, once you choose this interest, you can click on suggest. Facebook will now be suggesting to you possible interest, okay, that you can target. So you click on suggestion. You can see passive income. Anybody that is interested in passive income, we definitely, anybody that is interested in making money online, will also be interested in passive income, digital marketing. Okay, so online advertising, social media. So these are the things that people that need money, people that want to make money online, okay, these are the interests, what they will be interested in. Okay, so by the time you choose your interest, you choose advertising, marketing, content marketing, or they'll be interested in softwares like Aweber, like Mainship. Let's see if you have Mainship here. You can see interest. Okay, Mainship is a platform, an email marketing platform that will help you to send mails, automated mails to your audience, to your leads. Okay, and these are the softwares that your target audience can use. So you can look for the softwares your target audience can use. Once you see, select this particular option. Let's look at it. Once you select it, what do you say? Once you select it, you can even go to suggestion. Okay, once it is selected, go to suggestion. It will be now suggesting other softwares that your potential target audience can use. Okay, you can select it, but always be mindful of your audience, your potential reach. Like I said, that between 500 2 to 3 million is okay, but because we are doing training, this is just a case study. So what you do after selecting this, you scroll down, you come to save this audience, you click on it, and you save this audience. Okay, you come here and give it a name. Okay, you give it what? A name. WhatsApp, say audience 1. You save it. So you have saved that audience. So after saving the audience, you have achieved that goal. Why did we change from message to what? To traffic on the campaign objective, so that we can target our what? Audience, and save the audience. We have achieved that goal. So we can go back to that campaign level now. Since you have achieved that goal, go back to your campaign level. And when you go back to your campaign level, you come to campaign objective. What are we doing? You go back to message, because we are using message campaign objective. We want people to be interacting with us on WhatsApp. Okay, this is our goal. Then once we have done this, the next thing to do is to go to the ad level, the ad set level. Click on the ad set level. Okay, when we do that, okay, this will not change. Remember, is WhatsApp. We are sending traffic towards WhatsApp. That's the messaging app we are using. So once you are able to do this, let's come down to, remember, Facebook page we are choosing is not this one. It is the affiliate group. Okay, and once you select it, the WhatsApp that is assigned or connected to this page will come up automatically. Okay, so you scroll down, the daily budget, of course, you can change it to 1,000 naira, depending on the money you have. The more money you have, the more audience Facebook will reach. Look at this now. When I put 1,000 here, 1,000 naira, on daily basis, Facebook will get you people within this range. If I put 10,000 naira now, let's see what will happen. This is 10,000. You see, it has jumped from 3.3 thousand to 33,000, 33,000 to 96,000 on daily basis. Okay, so you reach what? These people. Then the link clicks in between 626 to 1.8 thousand people on daily basis. Okay, so when you spend 10,000 per day, are you getting my point? So we now come down. Our audience, remember that we have saved audience. So come here, click on it. Remember what we chose. WhatsApp ad set is okay. WhatsApp audience. Okay, this is what we choose. Okay, you can see we didn't even touch the age range. Okay, so we have selected. You can see that now we can now select our audience. We have successfully selected what our audience. You can just ignore this. Now, the age range. How do you know the age range of the people you are targeting? Okay, so after selecting this, let's see what the next thing to do. You scroll down. Now, placement means that where do you want your ads to show? Let me show you on Facebook. On Facebook, let me show you what I'm trying to. The placement. Placement means what? If you come here, let me. Okay, so let me explain placement to you. You can see this. This is an advert. Okay, sponsored. Okay, and you come here, you see this is our news feed. Okay, and this is the right column. You can see 3 different columns here. 1, 2, this is the middle, and this is the 3. Okay, so this is the right column. This is the news feed. Okay, this is the, okay, of course, the left sidebar. So normally we have the news feed, we have the right column here. Okay, so the two of them, news feed and this one, the Facebook normally place ads on these two placements. So you can choose where you want Facebook to display your ads. So when you come to automatic placement, that means you want Facebook to determine where to show your ads. Okay, different platform, different placement. You want Facebook to give you, to optimize, to help you choose where to place the ads. But you can decide that, oh, if you're a beginner, you can just decide to use manual placement. Manual placement means that you will choose the platform, okay, where you want Facebook, where you want your ads to be shown, not Facebook this time around. Once you choose manual, it means you are the one telling Facebook, this is what I want. You are the one that will select where Facebook algorithm will show your ads. Okay, so I will come here. You can decide to choose Facebook and Instagram or audience network. Okay, if you choose automatic, Facebook will choose all the available platforms. Okay, but if you want it manual, you can decide, you select the one you want. Okay, so if you have, since you have connected Instagram accounts, okay, sorry, we have Instagram account connected to this page, you can select Instagram. If you like, you can choose only Facebook, no problems. Okay, it's your choice. Okay, so you come here, Facebook news field, I showed you the other time. Instagram feed, yes, it's okay. Facebook marketplace, it depends on you. You can decide to remove it. It depends on you, okay? It depends on your choice. With time, you can even test and see what works for you, okay? So we have done with placement. We shows what? We just shows our Facebook news feed, Instagram what feed, okay? And those two platforms, okay? Then your optimization for ad delivery. What do you choose? You click on it, look at the drop down. What do you choose? Is it conversation? Because you want people to engage with you, okay? So you will choose what? Conversation. You leave it there so that people can come in and start discussing with you. So when you are done with this, what do? The next thing is to go to the ad level. Don't forget that you can also come here and click on next. You can come here and click on what? Next, or you come here and go to the next. That's the asset level. This is where we are now, the asset level. You can now go to the last level. That's the ad level. I will click on it. So now you can see the Facebook page, the affiliate guru. Okay, you can select, it's already select a page at the ad set level. Or I've selected that page, and the Instagram account connected to this page, okay, automatically came up. You can decide to choose if you have any other one, okay, but this is what is connected to that page. Okay, the next thing, you come here, you select your ad set. That means this is where you now create your creative. What do you want to use? Is it image or video? What do you want to use? Image or video? Remember that we are using WhatsApp. Okay, we are directing traffic to WhatsApp. Okay, so from this point, you choose what you want. But for me, this create ad, it is advisable. You can create ad. But if you have existing posts, you have been posting on that page before now. In fact, if you want to run this ads, it's better you even create a post so that you can use that post. So you come here, if you have post on that page, you can click on use existing posts, okay? And once you click use existing post, you now have the option to choose that particular post on that page. These are the different posts I have on that page. Of course, since you are running an ad, okay, you would have created a post, okay, that you want to use with a particular image. You can use image, you can use video, you can use multiple images, you can use multiple videos, depending on what you are selling. If you are into e-commerce, or you are selling physical products, okay, you can create a post with multiple images or with multiple videos. So at this point, you select your post. Once you select your post, then you scroll down. You can see, if I scroll down now, you can see that, oh, the post is even a video. Okay, you can see this is how it will appear. Okay, it can't show on Instagram. Why? The video is too long. Instagram add API stream video too long. Okay, fine. So what we do, if it is too long, you can select another, change the post. You can select another. Let's choose this one. Continue. So you can see that error has gone. So when you see error, you can always look at the error, read it, you understand what they are saying. You can see the new one that we just selected now. You can see the way it is. Are you getting my point? So I have selected what the post I want to use. Then call to action. That's, hold on, please. What will be your call to action? Okay. So when you scroll down, you see that we don't have, you can see this WhatsApp. You can come here and choose what you want. What is your call to action? Send WhatsApp message. Normally we have no button. If you select no button, okay, I don't want to, let me just, you can, if you select no button, that means nothing will show here, okay? But if you want your call to action to be send WhatsApp message, you select it, send WhatsApp message. Once you select it, you are good to go, okay? Then Now on WhatsApp, if you are sending traffic to WhatsApp through message using message campaign objective, you can always create what message template. This is very important. You can create what templates. Before I come here, now look at this creative that we have here, the copy and the creative. You can see, if you click on see more, you will see the way it is going to appear. Okay, you can see it here. You can see the call to action, affiliate do and all that. Now, if you have multiple images, okay, you may not, if you have multiple images, you square that, you can use multiple images. That's the point I'm trying to make, that you can use what multiple images at this point. So what do? You come here. Now, you want to interact with the people. You can create some messaging templates. Please let us know how we can help you. Okay, so that when they click on it, they will see this message. Okay, these are the messages they will see. You can use emoji too. You can use emoji. Okay, you can use emoji. So you can construct, you can put anything you like, what you want them to see when they click that WhatsApp call to action. Can I make a purchase? That's a question. Okay, maybe you are into e-commerce. Maybe you have different products, the one of 10,000, the one of 15,000, the one of 30,000. You can put it here. I want to buy 10,000. You just put it there. I want to buy the one of 10,000. I want to buy the one of 15,000. I want to buy the one of. So these are images that, are questions that you just craft, so that when they come in, like, can I make a purchase? Can I give feedback? You can customize everything. What it means is that as they come to your send on your call to action, okay, as they click on it, they will see these messages. And once you are done, you save and you click on finish. Okay, so you can customize, you can add more. You can say add a question, you can add more questions, okay, depending on what your niche and the product you are selling. Okay, so I'm done with the configuration and I'm ready to publish. So that is how you can see that there is no error. Everything is just like. So this is how you run your Facebook ad, okay, to where? To your WhatsApp, and you click on publish. So once you click on publish, Facebook will review it and now tell you if it is your ad is approved or not. I just saw one notification from Facebook that one of my ads was rejected. Actually, I didn't send it. I don't know why. I don't know what happened, that Facebook just sent that your campaign is in review. I didn't send anything to them. The campaign has been there. I didn't fund it. Okay, but I just saw the notification that it was rejected. When I'm done, I will check why it was. I didn't really fund the account and all that. Okay, so that is how you run your Facebook ads to your WhatsApp using messaging campaign objective, which is as simple as that. Okay, so once I click on publish, that means I'm good to go. I can come here and cancel and say close. So that is that. Okay, and you can see the at the campaign level, you can see it here. It's in drafts. Okay, it is in what? Drafts. So let's now look at the second option. So let's look at the second option. So I've gone through the first option, okay, and you can have, for sure, I will give you the PDF. Like what you are seeing here at the ad level, that is where you choose your post. If you want to use post or you create a new ad, you can use carousel as your image, okay, the image that you want to use. Carousel means that you use minimum of 2 and maximum of 10 images. Minimum of 2 or maximum of what? 10 images. If you want to, you can use single image too. You can use video. You can use multiple videos. You can use one video. Okay. But you see, the way it is now, video is the king. You want to run video preferably with all of your campaigns. As you all know, video is what is performing the best with most ads. Okay. Of course, we can always test too, because in Facebook advertising, testing is very important. Okay. So when you do that, you can, if you want to create an ad, we had the option of creating a new ad or use an existing post. If you want to create a new ad, then you have to put in your copy, your ad copy, your ad creative, which can be image or video or GIF or meme. Okay, something that will stop the scroll. Okay, you put your text, your headline, description, and all that. But if you use an existing post, you don't need to bother yourself with all that. Okay, so that is all about the first method. Okay, we have said the first method. Then let's look at the second method. In this second method, we are using traffic campaign objective. That is what we are using. We are using traffic campaign objective. And once you are using traffic campaign objective, what it means is this: you will need a link. Okay, you will need a link. So what we are going to do is to get the phone number, that your WhatsApp business account, that phone number. Okay, you use it to create a link on wa.link. You go to that site and create a link. That's the second. That's just the summary of the second method. So, and you optimize for conversation. So let's go there. Let me create another campaign. Now I'm choosing traffic. I'm not choosing message. I'm choosing traffic. Then I'll come down. What's the name? Of course, you always name your campaign. Okay. Let me put it there. WhatsApp. I put traffic T1. Okay. I just copy it. I'll come here. Ad set level. Let me just put AD ST ad sets. Then the last one, I can put ad level. Let me know that it is ad 1 ad. Okay, then continue. So when I continue, I will take him to the next. Okay, once I continue, you can see that I'm still at the campaign level. Okay, campaign level, ad set level, and the ad level. That's how we create our campaign step by step. Okay, so you have given it name, then you come down. Special ad categories, don't go there, don't touch it, because it's basically used for some special campaigns like real estate, like your maybe election and all that, finance. So you come to campaign details, you leave that one. Campaign objective, you have chosen traffic already. Okay, you leave it there. Then the next thing, there is no other thing to do. So you click on next, or you come to, when you click on next, it takes you to the asset level, which you can also access here. Click on it. So we are at the asset level. You can see that it has moved to the second level. So you can see that we have chosen traffic, and automatically it's choosing what? Website. Okay. Yes, we need WhatsApp. We are taking it to WhatsApp, but we are using website. Remember what I told you? We are directing traffic to our WhatsApp group, okay, or platform. But in this case, we need a website. So you select your website, or of course, by default, it's been selected. Then you create down. Don't forget your audience. As you move down, how much are you willing to pay? This is 3,000. This is by default, okay? Let me put 10,000, as a wealthy affiliate marketer, as a wealthy Facebook advertiser, you're a big man. So you put 10,000 there, then start date, leave it there. Then you come down, your audience. Remember that the first, we have created saved audience. The essence of saved audience is that when you create that saved audience, you can always come back and use it for your ads. It makes it easier for you. If you know that you're going to create so many campaigns, okay, in the same niche, okay, you can create saved audience. Is the essence of saved audience is for the purpose of reuse of that audience. So we come here, I don't need to start coming to detail targeting, because since we are using traffic campaign objective, you have access to detailed targeting. I don't need to come there again. I'll just go to saved audience and go to that one we have saved. How do I know? WhatsApp audience 1, and it is 8 million people. Okay, this is just a case study. Okay, you select it. So we have selected our audience. Okay, you scroll down, then placement. What platforms do you want Facebook to show your ads? Is it automatic placement? Means Facebook will be in charge, will determine where to show your ad. I don't want it. I want manual. That means I'll be in control. Okay, remove this, remove this. I want to use these two platforms, Facebook and Instagram. Okay, then the placement here, newsfeed, fine. Instagram feed, fine. Facebook marketplace, it depends. Marketplace, if you feel that your product is needed in the marketplace, fine. Facebook video feeds, I want to remove all this. Facebook right column, I showed you that's the one by your side, by your right hand side. I want to remove all this. So once I'm done with this, then I come down. Now, what am I optimizing for? Okay, landing page view, no. Link clicks. We deliver your ad to the people who are most likely to what? Click on them, because you are sending them to a website, so you need a link click. You want them to click on that link. Remember, we are going to put a link, so that is what we want them to do. Okay, but if you feel like choosing landing page view, that means they will click on the link and make sure that they get to that page. Of course, this is WhatsApp. Okay, so link clicks. Then you scroll down, see that we are done here with our ad set level. The next thing is to go to the ad level, where we choose our creative, our copy. So you can click on next or click on what you have here. Yeah. So when you come here, then you choose that Facebook page you want to use. I will select, remember what I selected the other time. I will come down and select affiliate guru. The affiliate guru, that's what I selected. Okay, once I select, let me select it. Yeah, the affiliate guru, this one. Automatically the Instagram account came up. Okay, then ad setup. I want to set up my ad. That is the ad copy, the ad creative. Okay, that's ad copy, the text. Okay, I want to use that the where I will discuss, use my angle or the hook. Then I will choose existing post, because I have a post that I can use for this ad. Okay, so once I use existing post, then I will now look at, I will select the post, since I have come here to choose existing post. So which post from my page? Okay, I will select the post I want. So once I'm done, you can see that it has appeared. You can see it here. Okay. So what will happen? Call to action. Now, you can see that we cannot use call to action here, because we've used this one in our initial when we use messaging. So we cannot change anything here. Okay, so what we'll do is for us to choose another post. Okay, let me use this post. Okay, it's complaining about the image size. Media needs to be at least 500 pixel wide and two. Okay, it's complaining about the dimension. Let me use this one. Okay, Okay, I think. Okay, so and we are okay with this. So let's move on. So call to action button. So you can now, your call to action button, we have send WhatsApp message. Is a link. I want them to learn more. Okay, I can click on learn more. Are you getting my point? Don't go and click send WhatsApp message. No, you can use any other one, maybe like learn more or sign up. Okay, like I want to use learn more. I want them to click on that link, not send to WhatsApp message. No, because my number, I have a number, a WhatsApp business number that I want to transform to a link, customize to a link, and that's the link I will put under the website URL. So I will come to wa.link. Okay, I'll go to this website. So I'll come here, wa.link. Okay, I'll come here and click on create WhatsApp link. So I'll come here and put my number there. This is my number. This is my number. So you can add emoji if you like. Okay, so you type, hi Moses, hi. You can type whatever you want them to see. Okay, hello, I want more info about the product. That's something that you can put something like that there. You see, hello, I want more info about this product. Or you can say, hello, I want to buy your product. Okay, so this is, or how much do you sell your product? So the information you want, that's what you put here. Okay, then you can preview it. Let's see, how does it look? How will it look like when they click on it? This is how it's going to look like. Okay, so that link we are generating, once they click on it, this is what it will show them, and they will see, I want more info about your product. Okay, so let's go back to that place, and you now generate my, so click on generate my wa.link, click on it. So once you click on it, this is the link, and you can use this link on any platform. So you copy it, copy that link, go back to our campaign. This is our campaign. So this is what we're going to put here. Okay, and you see updates. You can see. So once you see, you can see it has turned to learn more. So once they click on this learn more, it will take them to your WhatsApp, that WhatsApp you have created. Then once you can check everything, that everything is okay. Check everything, that everything is what? Okay. So once you are sure that everything, look at your campaign level, your asset level, cross check, ensure everything is okay, then you click publish. And once you click publish, you wait for Facebook review, and you are good to go. So that is how you run your ads, okay, from Facebook to your WhatsApp without any issue. So that's how to do run your campaign. And you can see that, what did I optimize for? You see, depending on your goal. So you can see that we've just tried the two methods, and when you run your campaign, you will see a result coming in. So we use two methods: traffic campaign objective, or we use message campaign objective. Now, out of the two of them, which one is more productive? You can test, but from experience, we discover that the messaging makes more sense. Okay, it makes more sense. Okay, for the traffic is very simple, simplified. Okay, you get results. Okay, but for the first one, maybe more expensive. This is cheaper. Okay, but you get more result with your message campaign objective. Okay, so but you can always test, and that's Facebook for you. At least you have learned two ways of running Facebook ads to your WhatsApp. You can always test and pick the one that suits your goal and your objective, depending on your niche. Okay,